Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study chapter 14 part 1. Before starting this chapter 14, I would like to briefly explain chapter 13. In chapter 13 we have seen the creation of Bangladesh. We have already studied all those factors, internal and external, which led to the creation of Bangladesh. After creation of Bangladesh, that what happened, what changes took place in Pakistan, that we are going to study, because the army had received a shock because of the defeat in army against Indian army. So rather than, we can say that Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who became chief martial administrator, he decided to take up some major changes in Pakistan. So what he did, he believed that because he believed that he wanted to bring those massive changes in Pakistan, and he felt that it was not possible unless he would reduce the power of Pakistan army. So for this purpose, what he did, first of all, the first step he did was he removed the head of armed forces and replaced with the people of his own choice. This was done because he felt that he should not be threatened from Pakistan army when he was going to take all those massive changes. Number two, he created federal security forces, and Bhutto claimed that these federal security forces were created in order to help the police force in the country. But in real practice, it was created in order to suppress his political opponents. Any person who spoke against Bhutto was taken up in the custody by federal security forces, and he had to face the music. The next important thing done by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was the Simla Agreement. As Pakistan lost the battle of 1971 against India, and there were war prisoners over there. And definitely the Bhutto wanted to gain the sympathies, the support of all those families whose members were imprisoned over there. So in 1972, he signed this Simla Agreement with Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and according to the Simla Agreement, what happened? Pakistan would not raise the issue of Jammu Kashmir on any world forum like UNO or any other forum. And in return, rather than Pakistan and India would mutually discuss and have a mutual dialogue how to resolve the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. And in return, India had freed all those war prisoners of 1971. Another major work done by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was the Constitution of 1973. Because in this constitution, we can say that this is one of the most important constitution in the history of Pakistan, because some major decisions were taken up by the National Assembly at that time. For example, the Ahmadis were declared as non-Muslims. Number two, there would be two houses like the Senate and the Assembly would be elected for the 5 years, and the members of the Senate would be chosen up equally from the all princes of Pakistan. Beside that, there would be post of Prime Minister and the post of President, and both should be Muslim, and both should be over 40. Beside that, the basic all human rights were granted. Thank you.